Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to create a detail view. So let's delete this section view on the top. So right click on it, select delete to delete it. So we have room to create our detail view. And detail view is used to highlight a specific area of your part that you want to expand. So we'll click detail. In this example, we want to show the detail of this spring area. So once we click detail view, select any point in there. It doesn't have to be a point, but just select anywhere. And once you select, you're going to draw a circle. So you select your first point and drag out to draw a circle. So we'll draw something like this. And now we will drag it up to place it. So now what this is showing is any entity or line that is in that circle that we just drew. That is what is going to be in our detail view. So that's how you create a detail view. Make sure if you want to see more in your detail view, all you have to do is click your circle and drag it to expand it. And as you expand it, it shows more detail. And you can also minimize it to show less detail. And that is how you create a detail view. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture.